Please lock your doors and windows now. If your door is forced open or your window is broken, hide somewhere quickly. After the broadcast is over, turn off the TV and radio. I repeat, after the broadcast is over, turn off the TV and radio. Even though the TV is off, if you see a person inside, do not look at them and take all children away from the TV and hide. If you hear a human voice outside or inside your house, grab your weapon. If you see something that looks like you or someone you know, run and hide. You cannot fight it. Make sure you hide your family.